KRM Office 5521, day 10 October 2021. We are having a control test here, quite simple, quite clear. I have a limit as access, which is the host of my modem, which is offered by a provider, a company as a fusion between Mexico and Brazil. We have 3 machines logged. One is at the house, the second is a repeater, the third one is a machine with access as direct access by the Wi-Fi, which is logged at my cell phone. The cell phone has a connection at the modem, at the repeater, which is BRA 5521, Crime Industrial Extend. Then we will check that our connection at the modem is, in general we have only one, but we put 2 just to create a bit of terror. It's kind of BRA 5521, committed industrial crime, but it's in Portuguese. Then we will check something, which is the first observation, is that the number, I'm connecting the network again, which is the repeater. The number associated with my cell phone, which it's pointing to this, is not my number as cell phone. Can you get? This is the connection as Android, and then when I check the number connected at the by the control access of the extend, we will check that my number is kind of like this, you know. Maybe this is a Wi-Fi clone. Then I will shut down my connection, and then you are observing that is the connection as extended at the repeater. I will have a fresh start of the page, and as you can observe, I'm not logged at that ID, which isn't my cell phone, but it's associated at my cell phone, maybe by the remote access or cloned signal, something that must go near to the access range limited. Then we will check, I will have the connection as Wi-Fi, which is the repeater. The repeater is at the kitchen, and I'm at the living room. So I will check again that if I make a fresh start, I will have this situation here, which is the connection, you know, the address as IP, as you can observe, the address as Mac or machine. Then I will request or take a look at the connection that I'm having at my my repeater, which is like this, as you can observe. It's not the number presented there, you know, it's 48, here is 52. Then I will use now and request the information as my access to the cell phone, because we must check this. You know, if we are having this as an international trial, in the way we are having, we must offer clear information and things with the most transparency as possible. Then we will check that this situation will be like this. I will request the router as Wi-Fi, and I will try to get if there's no access as router at my Wi-Fi, you know, that's okay, but I will try to have here the the number of my machine. As you can observe, here is the two signals that you have. I'm connected at the extended, which is the repeater. The other one, I do not have the access. Here is my address as, machine. And it's not this address here. Can you observe? This kind of thing is something that you must request at the local area in the way we suggest, because as we said before, I'm a consumer and I have a very limited vision about all circumstances that go in an area that you must have habeas data as protection of public record inside public departments, with other situations that point to the success of this risk analysis. Have a nice week.